Hello everyone, welcome back to the English Simplified Channel. In today's video, we will learn how to conduct a paired t-test using ChatGPT. I'll guide you through the steps of how to input your data, what to ask, and how ChatGPT can help you analyze your paired data. Before we get started, let's quickly recap what a paired t-test is. A paired t-test compares the means of two related groups to determine if there is a significant difference between them. This is commonly used for before and after measurements such as pre-test and post-test scores. Step 1. Prepare your data. To analyze data using ChatGPT, you first need to have your data ready. Your data should be organized into two sets of paired values. First, you need to provide ChatGPT with your data. Describe the nature of your data, including how many pairs you have and what each pair represents. For example, here is my data, the scores from a group of students before and after a training program. The student scores of pretest are 70, 65, 5, 78, 72, 69, 80, 75, and the student scores post-test are 80, 75, 85, 78, 74, 88, 82, 77. Step 2. Request the paired t-test analysis. Next, ask ChatGPT to perform a paired t-test. Make sure to specify if you want detailed calculations or just the results. You can use a prompt like this by typing it into ChatGPT. Analyze these paired test scores and calculate the mean difference, standard deviation, t-statistic, and p-value. Step 3. Paste your data into ChatGPT. After you type the command and press enter, ChatGPT will usually respond with, "Great, please go ahead and paste the data for the pre-test and post-test scores, and I'll perform the analysis for you." So I paste the data, and ChatGPT directly calculates it. And here are the results of the paired t-test analysis. Mean difference, 6.87, standard deviation of differences, d 1.38, t-statistic, 27.20, p-value 344e22, which is essentially 0. Conclusion, since the p-value is much less than the typical significance level of 0.05, we reject the null hypothesis. This indicates a statistically significant difference between the pre-test and post-test scores, suggesting that the intervention or condition tested has had a meaningful impact. If you want the manual calculation, you can also ask ChatGPT to do it. For example, you can type and enter this into ChatGPT. "Can you give or show me their manual calculation?" And ChatGPT provides the manual calculation of the data. These are the results of the analysis. 1. The difference D for each pair. For instance, student 1 is 10, student 2 is also 10, student 3 is 7, and so forth. 2. The mean difference is 6.87. 3. The standard deviation of differences is 1.38. 4. The t-statistic is 27.20. 5. The p-value is almost 0, and 6. Conclusion, since the p-value is much less than 0.05, we reject the null hypothesis, concluding a significant difference between the pre-test and post-test scores. Well, that's it. Using ChatGPT simplifies the paired t-test process. By providing the data and asking for the analysis, ChatGPT calculates and interprets the results for you. If you have any questions or need further clarification, leave a comment below. Finally, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more tutorials. See you next time.